Good morning and welcome along to another edition of Adventures with Otis and Sunny. And what a beautiful place. The fields alongside the banks of the River Clyde, the gorgeous sun rising in the east, and the footbridge there leading us to Uddingston. And there's the Uddingston Viaduct. Fantastic. Yes, so we're in Scotland again, Otis. And Sunny, are you ready for your walk? Come on, let's go. Yes, so we're back in Scotland, and actually just to the east of Glasgow, I guess, or southeast of Glasgow, a place called Uddingston, and they got a fantastic Chinese takeaway there called the Panda House. Oh, fantastic. And we're right alongside the Clyde Railway Viaduct at the minute, and we're going to follow the River Clyde along a little while. First of all, that's the Route 75. This is National Cycle Route number 75, which goes from Glasgow right away to Uddingston. Fantastic. Okay, right then, this way, guys. Yes, so we're going to head down a little walk along the riverbank, and we're going to cross over the Uddingston footbridge just up ahead. And we're not going to turn right as usual. We're going to turn left and actually walk underneath the viaduct and head to the railway station that way. And there's the train. Right on cue. Brilliant stuff. Anyway, over the footbridge we go, guys. Well, you probably noticed the signpost back there pointing to the right, saying 1.5 miles to Uddingston railway station. Well, actually, we're going left here, and I believe it's only about 3/4 of a mile this way to the railway station, so I'm not quite sure why the signpost doesn't face this way. Not sure, different or shorter mileage. Now, this is the old original viaduct from the days of the original railway line, and you got the new viaduct just above. What's in there then, Otis? What can you smell there? Come on, this way. Good boy. Yeah, so just above us now you've got the new viaduct. So we're going to follow the road along. And that'll take us, hopefully, to the railway station. And there we are. That's the viaduct going across the River Clyde. Fantastic. Oh, and I hear another train. There we go. We're definitely heading the right way to the railway station. Yeah, that's a point. I wonder if they've finished doing all the building work at the station. No, the new overhead walkway might be ready. That'd be cool. Well, I see we're up to 260 subscribers now, so thank you very much to the new people who've joined us. Hope you're enjoying the adventures with Sonny and Otis, or Otis and Sonny. Otis is on the right, he's the Border Collie, and on the left we've got the Cavapoochon, young Sonny. On this way, Otis, good boy. Yes, so Otis is around about 3 years old. He was 3 last month, and Sonny is 1 and a couple months. There we go. Well, if you haven't subscribed, please do so, and click on that notification bell as well. It will update you on any future videos that come out, and also leave some comments. We certainly love to hear from you. The Clyde walkway, Cambuslang Bridge to Strathclyde Country Park. Okay, this way guys. And here we are at Uddingston's famous pantry, where they make a mean pasty here. Fantastic. Just got to cross over the road now and look towards the railway line. Oh, wait there guys, wait there, one more car. There we go. Okay, Otis. Okay, Sonny. Let's go. Oh, there we are. It's not just 20's plenty in Wales. It's 20 is plenty up here in Scotland as well. Well, in certain places. And this is the footpath that leads us up to Uddingston's railway station. Oh, and it looks like they've completed the up and over walkway. Fantastic. And you can see the lifts at each end. Well, that makes things a lot easier. Go from platform 2 over to platform 1, which I think we'll do. Oh, hang on, it's barricaded off. Perhaps we've just got to walk around. Ah, fantastic. I think that's my favourite word today. There we go. Looks like they've taken the original one down as well. Well, you'd never know it was there. And here we are. Okay, round this way. Otis, Sonny, come on, we'll go up and over, I think. Look at that, the sun is peering straight down the track. Beautiful. Okay. Looks like we've got to double back on ourselves a fair way. Well, I think this is about the position where the original one was. There we go. We got the sign for the lift and the sign for platform 1. Okay, Otis, up we go. Well, This footbridge is definitely more substantial than the old one. You can fit more than 2 people up the stairs. And also the lifts, what an asset, fantastic. Over to platform 1 we go. All the signs here for high voltage, and this is looking down the line towards Glasgow. So that's sort of in a westerly direction. Looking easterly straight into the sun. Looking up the line. Fantastic. Which takes to Edinburgh and Carlisle. And the other lift for platform 1. Okay guys, you ready? Let's go down the steps. You wait there, Otis. Side. Brave. Okay, go on then, Otis. Slowly. Good boy. Okay. I think what we'll do is walk outside the station. Have a good look at the building from the outside. Okay. Well, this station building was built back in 1849. It certainly stood the test of time. Absolutely beautiful. I love to see these old stations. Newport is a right mess out where we're from. It's a metal dome now, and the original buildings have sort of all been demolished. What are you two up to? Well, look at that. Absolutely glorious. Well done, Uddingston. Well done, ScotRail. Well, I think we better walk on the pavement. Come on, let's cross over. Good boy. This is where we sort of rejoin Route 75, and we'll follow the old railway line back to where the camper van's parked, near Bothwell Industrial Estate. First of all, we'll have one last look, I think, from the railway bridge at Main Street, and then we'll cross over Main Street to rejoin the old railway line on National Cycle Route 75. Cross. Let's go. Sonny, no, leave him alone. Come on this way. Come on this way. Oh, Sonny, you daft dog. Come on. That's looking along the line, parallel to the cycle route that we're going to follow. Oh, train coming. Better catch that first. Fantastic. The sunshine, the train line. Ah, lovely day. This is Main Street, where you got the famous Enzo's and Panda House, and then further on up you've got Tulloch's Bakery. Brilliant. We're going to follow to the left here and rejoin Route 75 and head back towards Bothwell Industrial Estate. And this is the Old Mill Road Bridge, which is, I think, about the third bridge they've built here. I think it used to be just a stone bridge at one time. Hey ho, lovely morning though. The sun peering through the trees. What more could you ask? Okay, Otis, good boy. And here's another National Cycle Route marker. Yes, this was marked up 74, I've mentioned that before on a previous video. We're actually still on Route 75, the National Cycle Network. And we're just about to leave the main line behind. This bears right now, and we're actually officially on the old railway line, which belonged to the Glasgow, Bothwell, Hamilton and Coatbridge Railway way back in the 1877. If you want to know a little bit more about the history of this railway network, then have a look at our previous video, I think about 2 or 3 videos back actually, where I talk about the railway a bit more. And what I'd like to do is actually take you for a walk along the railway line from the viaduct at Bothwell right the way through Bothwell station and to Uddingston. So perhaps we'll do that in the next couple of days. What have we found over there, Otis? Come on. Come on, Otis. Come on, we need to walk on. Good boy. And just up here on the left is the green area, which was at one point Uddingston's West Railway Station. Again, part of the Glasgow, Bothwell, Hamilton and Coatbridge Railway. I'll just have a little look on Google and see if I can actually find a photograph of the station that was here. There we go, I found the photograph I was looking at earlier, so I'll try and place it on the screen. Hey Otis, Sonny, we're going to do a turn around because the station actually faces from the other way. So here goes. There we go, hopefully I've superimposed it. Oh Sonny, leave him alone. Come on, this way. Go on Otis, try and walk ahead. She's having a little funny one. Anyway, here we are, we're still on Route 75. And this is where Route 74 actually joins Route 75. So 75 now bears left. We're going to cross over and we're going to follow Route 74 just to the end of the runway, or rather the railway line, and then we'll sign off for the day. Okay, we can cross here. Good boy, good girl. And here's the signpost that we've seen before, leading to Uddingston's railway station and up to Coatbridge, and we're heading this way towards Bothwell. Well, Bothwell Industrial Estate anyway. Oh, that's a noisy dog over there. Morning. Yeah, he's fine. He's okay. Yeah, bye-bye. Well, we're going to finish our walk here, so thank you very much for joining us. Hope you enjoyed a little walk today around Uddingston with Sunny and Otis. Till next time, so bye from me, bye from Sunny, and a bye from Otis. Alright, Sunny, do you enjoy your walk today? And do you, Otis? Okay. Bye. Bye. Sunny.